Details for a group of 10 students are as follows. We have their names, their age, and the city that they live in. Let's meet these students. We have Ashish, Akash, Vibhor, Revati, Nidhi, Nihar, Prakash, Gagan, Raksha, and Deva. These are their ages, and these are the cities that they live in. Some live in Delhi, Bangalore, Pune. There's one Nihar that lives in Mumbai. Now here's what we have to do. We're selecting a person at random from this group, and we need to find the probability of some events. Here are the list of events. We have these 5 events that we want the probability of. The first one says that the probability that this person that we're selecting at random is older than 14 or living in Pune. This one says younger than 14 and living in Delhi or Bangalore. This one is age is a multiple of 4 or living in either Delhi or Pune. Now pause the video, try these 5 out, and then we'll do it together. Okay, let's do this together. Let's take the first one. Probability that that person is older than 14 or living in Pune. So we have this or this, which means probability of A union B. Now probability of 2 events, A union B, that's probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. That's one way of doing it. Let's do that. How many students are older than 14? We have Ashish, we have Revati, Nidhi, Prakash, and Deva. So 5. So the probability that the person is older than 14, that's 5 by 10. Now what's the probability that the person lives in Pune? We have 3 who live in Pune, Akash, Vibhor, and Deva. So that's 3 by 10. What's the probability that both of these happen? Probability of A intersection B. So that person should be living in Pune and that person should be older than 14. So from the list of students that are in Pune, we have exactly one Deva who is older than 14. So we subtract that. Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, that's going to be 1 by 10. So 5 plus 3, 8 minus 1, that's 7 by 10. Now there's another way we can actually go through the list and select the students older than 14 or living in Pune. Let's first pick the ones that are in Pune, 1, 2, and 3. Now from the remaining cities, let's pick the ones that are older than 14. We have Ashish 1, Revati 2, Nidhi 3, and then Prakash 4. So 3 in Pune and 4 from the other cities that are older than 14. So 3 plus 4, 7. That's going to be 7 by 10. Let's solve the next one. Older than 14 and living in Pune. We've already done that. There's only one, Deva, who's older than 14 and lives in Pune. So that's just going to be 1 by 10. Let's look at the next one. Probability that the student is younger than 14 and living in Delhi or Bangalore. So we can do this by going through the list. We can select the ones that are in Delhi or Bangalore. From that list, we can figure out who are the ones that are younger than 14. So Ashish lives in Delhi, but he's not younger than 14. Revati, Bangalore, not younger than 14. Nidhi, Bangalore, not younger than 14. Who else? Prakash, Delhi, again, not younger than 14. Gagan, Delhi, yes, younger than 14. So Gagan works. Raksha, Bangalore, and younger than 14. So Raksha also works. So Gagan and Raksha, 2 out of 10. So the probability of this happening, that's going to be 2 by 10. Next one, probability that age is a prime number and they're living in neither Delhi nor Bangalore. So you have to exclude the ones that are in Delhi or Bangalore and their age has to be a prime number. Which criteria should we pick? Let's look at their ages because most of them are not prime numbers. Where do we have a prime number? 15, 12, 17, yes. 17 is a prime number. Do we have anything else? No, just one. So Revati is the only possible candidate. 17 and Bangalore. Do we want someone who's in Bangalore? No. We want someone whose age is a prime number and they're living in neither Delhi nor Bangalore. So we have to exclude Revati as well, which means we have no possible candidate, which means this event will never happen. The probability of this happening is 0. Last one, probability age is a multiple of 4 or living in either Delhi or Pune. So either of these conditions work. So we'll pick the ones that are in Delhi or Pune, and from the remaining ones, we'll pick the ones whose age is a multiple of 4. So how many in Delhi? 1, 2, and 3. How many in Pune? 1, 2, and 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Remaining ones are in Bangalore or Mumbai. Let's see if their age is a multiple of 4. 17 does not work. 20, yes, 20 works. 20 is a multiple of 4. 10 does not work. 10 is not a multiple of 4. Then we have Raksha, who is in Bangalore. 8, yes, 8 works. So only Revati and Nihar do not work. These two don't work. The remaining 8 will work. The probability of this happening is 8 by 10. And there's another way. We can figure out the probability of this event, age is a multiple of 4, and we can figure out the probability of this event, that they're living in either Delhi or Pune, and we can find their intersection. So that will help us figure out the union. Probability of this or this happening, that's probability of age is a multiple of 4, that happening. So how many do we have whose age is a multiple of 4? 12, 12, 20, and 8. Anything else? 12, 12, 20, and 8. That's it. So 4 by 10, that's the probability that their age is a multiple of 4. They're living in either Delhi or Pune, that's 6. So that's plus 6 by 10, minus the probability of both of these events happening, probability of A intersection B. So figure out the ones that are in Delhi or Pune and their age is a multiple of 4. So Akash and Vibhor, they're in Pune, their age is also multiple of 4. So these two come under intersection. Then we have Prakash 15, Gagan 9, they don't work. Deva 18, this also doesn't work. So we have minus 2 by 10. This is the probability of intersection. So probability of A union B, that's probability of A plus B minus A intersection B. 4 plus 6, 10, minus 2, that's going to be 8 by 10. That's exactly what we had.